Hello students, in this video we will see how to draw Archimedean spiral. First we will take example and then I will tell you what is the definition of Archimedean spiral. So first take example, construct an Archimedean spiral of one convolution given the greatest radius 120 mm and shortest radius 20 mm. So first of all take distance as radius 120 mm in rounder and draw a circle then next radius is given 20 mm, so take 20 mm distance in your rounder and draw a circle. Give name to this center point as point O. Then next task is divide this outer circle into 12 equal parts. First I will draw a center line and divide this circle into 12 equal parts. Okay. So each part will appear at an 30-degree angle. So take 30-degree angle and divide this circle. So 90, 120, 150 and 180. Draw all these lines draw all lines passing through point O. And give name to all these points as this is point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this point as 12. Then next task is give name to this point is as point P. Then divide this distance. So give name to this point as point A. So divide AP distance into 12 equal parts. So take a distance of 10 mm, 10 centimeter and up to 12. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. So join this point to the point P and draw parallel lines from these points up to the center line. In this way we can divide any line into 12 equal parts. And give name to this point as this is point 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and at point A there is a point 12 dash. Now next task is take center O and radius is equals to O1 dash. So center O and radius O1 dash. O1 dash and draw the arc O1 dash, draw the arc up to this radial line O1. Next take center O2 dash, take center O and distance O2 dash, draw an arc up to the radial line O2. Same, take center O and distance O3 dash, and draw arc up to point O up to radial line O3. In same manner draw all the arcs. Take center O and radius O4 dash, draw arc up to radial line O4. Then center O and distance O5 dash, draw arc up to radial line O5. Similarly draw all the arcs center O and O9 dash, distance draw line up to radial line O9. Then take O10 dash distance and draw arc up to O10 line. Then O11 dash distance, draw arc up to O11, and if you take O12 dash distance and center O, it will appear as point 12 dash. So now we have got all the points Next task is give name to these points and join all these points. So this is point P, then this point is point P1, give its name as point P2, point P3, point P4, point P5, point P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, and already there is a point A. Now next, join all these points with the help of a French curve. So join P to point P1. Next join P1 to P2. Then join P2 to P3. P3 to P4. P4 to P5. P5 to P6. P6 to P7. P7 to P8. P8 to P9. P9 to P10. P10 to P11 and P11 to point A. And this is the Archimedean spiral from point P up to point A. Now, what is Archimedean spiral? So, Archimedean spiral is a curve generated by a point moving uniformly along a straight line while the line rotated or rotates about a fixed point. The point about which the line rotates is called as a pole. Each complete revolution of curve is termed as convolution. So we have drawn Archimedean spiral for one revolution or one convolution.